Hi, I'm V, and I'm here at Shinagawa Diagnostic for my health checkup. So it's actually my second time visiting since I had my very first checkup last year. There's a lot that happened this past year. I got to travel a lot, I got to eat a lot, so it's very important for me to track my health. Being busy is not an excuse to neglect your health. So even the most simple or little things can actually make a huge difference. Since I had a great experience last time, it only made sense for me to come back and have my checkup here. What I really love about Shinagawa Diagnostic is how well guided you are in terms of how the tests and procedures you have to undergo. I understand that health checkups can feel nerve-wracking, so having someone to guide you and as well as receive such support from the medical staff made me at ease. I believe that that's actually how checkups should be. They should encourage you to do it, not actually make you feel anxious about it. Thank you, Shinagawa Diagnostic, for taking care of my health today.